In this presentation, we are going to discuss different syringe types and their use. The first syringe we'll discuss is an insulin syringe, which is used only for subcutaneous injection. If we remove it from the packaging, you can see the syringe, and by removing the cap you can see the needle, which is a 30 gauge needle. The higher the gauge numbers, the smaller the diameter of the needle. Lower numbers like 23 gauge have a much thicker needle. An insulin syringe only holds 1 milliliter of liquid. Therefore, you will need to use a different syringe type if your ampules are over 1 milliliter. The next syringe can be used for intramuscular or subcutaneous injection. This syringe is a 3 milliliter with a 25 gauge needle. 25 gauge needles can appear quite thick and can be daunting to use for injection, especially for first-time users. You can replace the needles on this type of syringe with one that is smaller in diameter and length. This needle is a 27 1-inch needle, which is used for intramuscular injection. You need a 1-inch length to ensure that it gets into the muscle. The next needle can be used for subcutaneous injection. It is a 26 gauge 1/2-inch needle. It is a shorter needle and less daunting than a 1-inch for subcutaneous injection. To change the needles, simply hold the syringe with one hand as close as possible to the base of the needle where it connects to the syringe. Then pull to remove the needle. You can then replace it with a new needle by pushing the new needle onto the syringe. With all syringe types, you must prime the needle by pulling back and forth on the plunger to make sure it moves freely in the barrel.